Guys, what are digits? You have learnt in your previous grade. What are digits? Digits are nothing but your symbols that we use to build numbers, basically. Now, 245 and 425. They have the same digits, but are they the same numbers? 245 and 425. They're made up of the same digits, right? Digits are nothing but your symbols. So 2 is a symbol, 4 is a symbol, 5 is a symbol. Here too we have 4, 2, 5. Same symbols, but are they the same number? Answer is no. So next question is why not? As a continuation, why is this not same number? I mean, they're made up of same symbol. Why aren't they the same number? Because of something called as correct place value. Okay. So place value is the value of the digit depending on its position in a number. Place value determines the value of the digits at a particular position. So each position in the decimal system is the power of 10. So basically units is 1, tens is 10 and hundreds is 100, so on and so forth. That you guys remember. So basically 2, 4, 5. In the unit place we have 5. In the tens place we have 4. And in the hundreds place we have 2. While in 4 to 5, in the hundreds place we have 4. Tens place we have 2 and unit place we have 5. This being the condition, are the numbers same? No, because of place value. The place value of 2 is 100. The place value of 2 is 10 over here. Right? So basically I can rewrite 245 as 200 plus 40 plus 5. While 425 is 400 plus 20 plus 5. Same digit but different places gives us different value. Now, observe the pattern over here. So this is unit place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place, 1000, 10,000, so on and so forth. Can you see any patterns? We have learnt in patterns from previous grades. Observe the patterns in numbers over here. What are the patterns that we are looking at? Yes, as in when we move to the higher position, we need to multiply with 10. While as in when we move to the lower position, we are dividing with 10. Is it not? As in when we move to the higher position, we are multiplying with 10. So 1 into 10 is 10. 10 into 10 is 100. 100 into 10 is 1000. So that's what I mean by as in when we move to the next position, higher position, we multiply with 10. But if you are already at a position, if you have to go to the lower position, immediate lower position, what should we do? We should divide with 10. You guys agree? So pattern in place value is that we get the next place, that is higher place value by multiplying with 10. So let me write the word higher. While the previous place, that is the lower place, lower value, we get it by dividing with 10. Now the question is, and in this entire chapter, we are just answering this question. What if we continue to divide even after reaching 1? So we have reached 1 over here. So we have 1 over here. What if we continue to divide? So we have 1. What if I divide with 10? So technically I'll get 1 by 10. Now if I take 1 by 10, and what if I divide with 10 again? If you guys remember this can be written as when the division symbol becomes multiplication, we have to take the multiplicative inverse of 10, that is 1 by 10. And when you do the multiplication, I'll end with 1 by 100. So basically we'll end up with the table something like this. Right? After 1, we will get 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000, so on and so forth. Do you guys agree? And this is what we are trying to learn. This very representation is what we are trying to handle. In this chapter, we are trying to handle values which are less than 1. Okay, place value which is going, traditionally we had tens place, right? And ones place and so on and so forth. But you are going behind ones place. So we are going a step one step below whatever we are at already. So as of now, we know 1. What if we divide with 10? What if we divide further with 10? What if we divide further with 10? So that's what we are looking at basically, right? So the welcome to the world of small things, wherein we learn to measure things which we are made up of, things which we get to see, things which we might ignore, but they are part of our life and we need to understand them. For understanding them, we need to measure them. And the way of measuring this is our decimal systems, digits and place value. And okay, let me not tell more because that's the entire chapter. Okay, so I hope you guys like it and use it to understand the world around us.